Is your fingerprint reader not working on Windows 11 or Windows 10? Don't worry, we've got you covered. This step-by-step guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the fingerprint scanner issues on your laptop or PC. Whether it's a driver problem, a configuration error, or a software glitch, follow along to restore the functionality of your fingerprint reader.
First, open your Start menu. Type Services. Open Services. Locate Windows Biometric Service. Right-click it and select Properties. In Startup type, select Automatic. Press Apply and then OK. Press Start the service. If the service is already on, then press Restart. Wait for the service to start. Now close the Services window and check if your fingerprint reader is working. First, open your Start menu. Type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Biometric Devices. Right-click your fingerprint reader device. Select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Disable Device. Read the warning and press Yes. Now click on Enable Device to restart your fingerprint reader. Now check if your fingerprint reader is working. Open your Start menu and look for Device Manager. Open the Device Manager. Expand Biometric Devices. Right-click your fingerprint reader and select Properties. Right-click your fingerprint reader. Select Update Drivers. Choose Browse My Computer for driver software. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your fingerprint reader. Press Next. Restart your computer. Wait for Windows to finish updating your drivers. If that didn't work, open your Start menu. Expand the Biometric Devices. Right-click Fingerprint Reader Adapter and choose Properties. Reopen the Driver tab. Select Uninstall Device. Press the Uninstall button. Now restart your computer so a new driver is installed. First, open your Start menu. Type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Biometric Devices. Right-click your fingerprint reader device. Select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Press the Update Driver button. Select Search automatically for updated driver software. You can also select Search for updated fingerprint reader drivers on Windows Update. Just press Search for updates. Wait for Windows to finish updating your drivers. If that didn't work,